Hey guys, let's see how to change our Reolink Wi-Fi network. It's pretty simple. Here I have the camera, it's already working, okay? So if you take a look here on my cell phone, you see that I can view the image of the camera, and I can also come here to the settings. And from here, it's pretty simple. You're gonna see the Wi-Fi. So I just select the Wi-Fi here and choose a new one. So there's a list of my Wi-Fi. Remember that you need to connect the camera to a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. I'm going to connect to this one and enter the password. Here I have a temp test password. So let me just double check here. I can view the password. You see temp pass, right? Just for testing. So I just hit save. And now the camera is working with the new Wi-Fi, okay? So when you come back here to the main screen, it's gonna take a while for the camera to assume the new password and show the image here, okay? So don't worry, the camera is just rebooting or doing some tests there. Just wait for a while and you're gonna have the image back here on your screen, okay? So it's working right now, see, it's connecting again. Just take a while and now it's working. I'll just move my hand there. And you see that's working. So that's the way you can change the Wi-Fi password on a Reolink camera. I hope this helps. Leave your comments here, subscribe to this channel, and I see you in the next one.